I hope everyone is having a great day. Today I'm going to explore the fascinating world of affiliate marketing. I'm going to dive deep into a topic that's absolutely crucial for anyone starting out on this journey: mastering affiliate marketing with Clickbank. This is going to be your comprehensive guide on navigating the complexities and tapping into the vast potential of this platform. For those who are new to this field, Clickbank is a leading global retailer and affiliate marketplace. It's a platform where product owners and affiliate marketers come together. The owners list their products, and affiliates like us promote those products, earning a commission in the process. It's a win-win situation. But let's take a step back. When you're starting out in affiliate marketing, it's crucial to understand one thing. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires dedication, consistency, and most importantly, the right strategies. Let's start with the basics. The first thing you want to do is set up an account. It's simple, easy, and free. Now, remember that Clickbank is a global marketplace. It doesn't matter where you are, you can make money online using Clickbank. Once your account is set up, it's time to dive into the heart of Clickbank, the marketplace. This is where you find a plethora of products across a range of categories. The trick is to choose the right products to promote, and that's where things get a bit tricky. But don't worry, I've got you covered. When you're choosing a product to promote, you need to consider several factors. Firstly, look at the product's gravity score. The gravity score represents how many different affiliates have made a sale in the past week. A high gravity score is a good indicator that the product is popular and sells well. You also need to consider that sometimes with a super high gravity score, it could be oversaturated. You also might consider items with lower gravity score that might just be a hidden gem you never know. Another important factor is the product's commission rates. Most Clickbank products offer very generous commission rates, sometimes as high as 70%. However, don't be lured just by high commissions. Ensure that the product you choose is of high quality, solves a problem for your audience, and is something you can genuinely recommend. But remember, there's more to mastering affiliate marketing with Clickbank than just choosing the right product. We need to talk about how you promote these products, how to engage with your audience, and how to drive traffic to your affiliate link. Now, here's where things get interesting. Your chosen platform for promotion plays a key role in your success. Social media platforms, blogging, video content on YouTube, email marketing, there's a sea of options to explore. But remember, the platform you choose should align with your strengths and where your audience is most active. For instance, if you're a great writer, blogging might be the right platform for you. If you're comfortable in front of a camera, why not start a YouTube channel? But always ensure that the content you create is not just promotional. It needs to offer value, be engaging, and solve a problem for your audience. Let's say you're promoting a fitness product. Instead of just posting affiliate links, why not create a blog post or video reviewing the product, or maybe share fitness tips and subtly recommend the product within your content? One other great tool for promoting your products is through Pinterest. Pinterest is not just a social media platform. It's a powerful search engine with over 400 million active users. Now imagine the reach of your affiliate products on such a platform. Creating captivating pins is crucial to your success on Pinterest. A pin is a visual representation of your affiliate product, and it's where you'll add your affiliate link. Ensure your pins are visually appealing. Use high-quality images, incorporate your brand colors, and use text overlays to make your pins stand out. You should also write detailed descriptions using relevant keywords for each pin, as this helps in showing up in search results. But remember, Pinterest values fresh content, so rather than pinning the same image multiple times, create multiple pins for the same affiliate link. Next, you want to create boards relevant to your niche. For instance, if you're promoting fitness products, create boards for workout plans, nutrition tips, etc. Then, add your pins to these boards. By tapping into Pinterest's vast user base and utilizing these strategies, you can create a substantial stream of traffic for your affiliate products. And remember, tracking your progress is crucial. Make use of Pinterest analytics to understand what's working and what needs tweaking. Now onto a crucial element of affiliate marketing: driving traffic. You might have chosen a great product and created engaging content, but without traffic, your efforts won't bear fruit. There are two main ways to generate traffic: organically and through paid advertising. Organic traffic comes from search engine optimization, social media engagement, and creating high-quality content that gets shared and linked to. Paid traffic comes from ads on platforms like Google AdWords, Facebook, and Instagram. A blend of both organic and paid traffic often works best. But remember, always track your sources of traffic and the performance of your affiliate links. This way, you can identify what's working and what's not and adjust your strategy accordingly. And that's it. By following these steps and staying committed, you'll be on your way to mastering affiliate marketing with Clickbank. Remember, it's all about consistency, dedication, and the right strategy. So get out there and start your affiliate marketing journey. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more insider tips and strategies. Here's to your success in the exciting world of affiliate marketing. Until next time, stay motivated and keep up the hustling.